Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm bringing you a review for this cute wig. This is one that I have reviewed for before when she first came out, and I have another one here to review for Pinky Promise. This is Mellow by Estetica, and the color on this one is RH1226RT4. I had to look at it and make sure I said it right. So anyway, we will get into her in just a minute. Okay, let's jump in and we will start talking about Mellow by Estetica. So this is one of my favorite Esteticas, and I actually had this one in Caramel Kiss. I think just the regular Caramel Kiss, not the Rooted Caramel Kiss. And I reviewed it and I wore it like maybe one time, and then I just decided that the color, I don't know, wasn't crazy about the color on me. You know how you're like that? I don't know. I just get fickle sometimes about, I love a color and then I change my mind about whether or not I like it on me. And I try to look at like, am I going to wear it? And so I was afraid I wasn't going to wear it in that color. So I went ahead and sold it. So anyway, so then I always regretted that I sold it. So I asked Cheryl if she would send me another one. So I got another Mellow, and I wanted to try this color because I love this color. I think I reviewed this color on Lachlan, and I love this color so much. So really, really pretty. I think it's going to be a great color for summer. Okay, so I will go ahead and do a spin so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So here she is from the front. This is my right, the back, my left, and back to the front. So the thing I like about this style is that she just has these gentle layers. I think she has a very natural look to her. This particular one is much lower density than the one that I had and doesn't really have, there's a little bit of teasing right at the rooting, but the other one I had more volume to it. So this one is definitely more low density. Maybe, I don't know if it's just this particular lot, you know, or if they have actually made the style a little bit more low density. I don't know. But anyway, this one definitely feels and looks more low density to me than the previous one that I had. Okay, so as far as measurements, she has a 9-inch measurement here on the bang in the front. I have seen her with a bang cut in. I think that's pretty easy to do on her. 8-inch sides, 12.5 inches from the crown. And her nape is 6.25 inches. She's super lightweight. Her weight is 3.39 ounces. So, I mean, she's just light as a feather. So very, very comfortable, easy to wear wig. She is a lace front. And now this one does have a root of a 4. So, you know, when I get up really close to the camera, you can definitely see those knots, you know, because it's a dark color. So, but I don't know, they don't bother me that much. That's something you can go in and you can put some of your, you know, your powder or concealer on the bottom and try to hide those a little bit. And then she has a left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown, which I love this feature. I think this one did not have a zigzag part. Sorry, y'all, I can't talk today. In it whenever I took it out of the box. So part looks really, really good. I've got great coverage on her ear tabs. This is an average size cap. And I do need to pull the adjusters in just a little bit, but not a whole lot. There's just a little bit of extra room, forehead to nape, ear to ear. She's fine on me. So, okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, so I'll show you that part. All right, so lace front, temple to temple, and this left mono part that goes all the way back here. I just love that feature. It looks so natural. Your part on your normal hair is gonna go all the way back like that, so. Then she's got the soft, they're not velvet covered. They kind of feel like a canvas or something, but they're soft material ear tabs. And she's got a good piece of metal, plenty of hair to pull off the face, giving her a nice hairline as well. Open wefted all through the cap. She has hook adjusters. She has an open wefted extended nape. This is your typical, you know, Estetica cap construction that you see. She has a lot of stretch. These have a lot of stretch. So like I said, it's accommodating my petite head, and it will accommodate, you know, much larger head sizes as well. Okay, so let's talk about this blonde. This is RH1226RT4. So very, very pretty color. Does have a 4 root. So that root is going to run all through the piece. So it looks like a highlighted brunette really to me because of that rooting. So the description on this color is a light brown with chunky golden blonde highlights and dark brown roots. Very straightforward. Definitely a warm gold highlight as opposed to a, cool color. In fact, I have a sunlit blonde. I'll just show it to you. Sunlit blonde is definitely cooler, so you can see that gold. It's in that color. Okay, so this is all lights off except for overhead light in the room. The brunettes definitely pop out in just, room light. You got your rooting, of course, all around your face. Okay, so here we are outside under my patio cover. So you can see that 4 rooting. You can also see the lighter brown going through and, of course, the gold highlight. Here's your lace front part. Here she is in full sun. Step into the shade here. Oh, very pretty. This is, I think, the truest light out here to look at a color. Actually shaded outdoor light. You can see her movement in the breeze as well. Okay, let's look at glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So here are the glasses. Now she's, like I said, low density, so she's very easy to tuck behind the ears, which is nice. Very easy with your glasses. Glasses are easily go up on the head. I mean, that, like I said, I really actually like the density of this one better than the one I had before. It's lower density and it's really easy to deal with. So she's super cute to style. So first I'll just pop in a headband since the hair's already behind my ears anyway. And you can pull down, this little bang in the front. Really cute. Of course, you could also just stick the headband in, and that looks cute too. She will go in a half up, half down, which is nice. She has enough length in those side layers to do that. And again, I would pull down, this is one way I really like to wear her. This is one reason why I wanted another one of these. And you can see that hairline looks pretty good there, around the edge. And then she also goes in just a little tiny low ponytail. So, in the summer, and she has an extended nape, yay. If you want to get her up off your neck, or you could twist her and get her up, put her up like that. That'd be a super cute little summer do, Pull down your layer there. It looks like it's going to fall down anyway, so. She's really, really cute. I just love her. And then, of course, you can always just pull her off the face because she does have a lace front. So, very nice. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all. There will be purchase information below this video. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye!